Hook. What if I told you there is a facility in rural Alaska with the power to tear holes in the sky, control the weather, and even manipulate your mind? And the government has been running it for over 30 years, right out in the open, while most people have no idea what it actually does. Intro. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most enduring conspiracy theories of the modern era, a high-frequency active auroral research program, better known as HAARP. Nestled in the remote wilderness of Gakona, Alaska, this sprawling array of 180 antennas across 40 acres has been blamed for earthquakes, hurricanes, and even mind control. But what is the truth? In this video, we separate fact from fiction, examine the science, and explore why this theory refuses to die. Segment 1. What is HAARP actually doing up there? The real story starts in 1990, when the Air Force, Navy, and DARPA joined forces to build an ionospheric research facility. Construction began in 1993 near Gakona, Alaska, chosen for its position under the Auroral oval, where Earth's magnetic field funnels solar particles toward the atmosphere. The facility cost around $250 million to build and operate through 2008. Its centerpiece is the Ionospheric Research Instrument, a phased array of 180 antennas transmitting between 2.7 and 10 MHz. The total transmitter power is 3.6 megawatts, but because the antennas focus energy into a narrow beam, the effective radiated power can reach 5.1 gigawatts. That sounds terrifying, but in the ionosphere, the signal intensity is less than 3 microwatts per square centimeter, weaker than a cell phone tower. The real purpose is to study the ionosphere, the layer that reflects radio waves for long-distance communication. By heating small patches of the ionosphere, scientists learn how solar storms disrupt GPS, how to improve submarine communications, and how the aurora works. It is legitimate science, published in peer-reviewed journals. But a military-funded project in remote Alaska naturally invited suspicion. Segment 2. Where did the conspiracy theories come from? The first major one appeared in 1994, when a book called Angels Don't Play This HAARP claimed the facility was a weapon capable of triggering earthquakes, changing weather patterns, and disrupting human consciousness. The theories gained massive traction in the 2000s, when HAARP was blamed for everything from Hurricane Katrina to the 2008 Sichuan earthquake, the 2010 Haiti earthquake, and the 2011 Japanese tsunami. Every time a natural disaster struck, social media lit up with claims that HAARP was responsible. By 2010, the conspiracy had spread so widely that the facility's operators were forced to address the claims publicly. In 2014, when the Air Force announced it was shutting down HAARP, conspiracy theorists claimed it was a cover-up. Instead, the University of Alaska Fairbanks took over in 2015, and the facility remains open today for researchers on a pay-per-use basis. Segment 3. Let us examine the evidence for the most common claims. First, weather control. Hurricane energy is measured in trillions of watts. HAARP's output is 3.6 megawatts. That is like trying to boil the ocean with a cigarette lighter. Second, earthquakes. Seismic energy release is measured in 10 to the 15th power joules. HAARP's radio waves penetrate less than 100 kilometers into the atmosphere and never reach the Earth's crust. Third, mind control. HAARP operates at 2.7 to 10 MHz, far above the range of human brainwaves, which operate at 0.5 to 100 Hz. There is no known mechanism by which HF radio waves could influence human thought. So why do people keep believing? The facility is remote and military funded. The technology sounds menacing. And the natural human tendency to seek simple explanations for terrifying events makes HAARP an irresistible target. Segment 4. Here is where it gets interesting. While the wildest HAARP theories are provably false, the facility does have genuinely remarkable capabilities that most people do not know about. HAARP can create artificial airglow, faint colored lights in the sky visible to the naked eye under the right conditions. It can generate extremely low frequency waves at 0.1 Hz, nearly impossible to produce with any other technology. It can create Whistler mode signals that enter the magnetosphere and interact with the Van Allen radiation belts. And in 2008, HAARP successfully bounced radar signals off the Moon. These are documented scientific achievements that sound like science fiction, but they are all published in peer-reviewed research. The line between conspiracy and reality blurs when you realize HAARP can literally make the sky glow. But there is a huge difference between creating a faint light show in the upper atmosphere and controlling global weather. The real HAARP is a testament to human curiosity. The conspiracy HAARP is a testament to human imagination. OUTRO. So, is HAARP a secret weather weapon or just a science experiment? The evidence overwhelmingly points to the latter. The facility is open to researchers worldwide, including foreign nationals. Its activities are logged and publicly available. It holds annual open houses. Its research is published in top journals. But the conspiracy persists because it taps into something deeper: a distrust of government, a fear of technology, and a desire to find meaning in random tragedy. Next time someone blames HAARP for a hurricane, remember the numbers. 3.6 megawatts versus trillions of watts. Radio waves that never reach the ground. A facility now run by a university and open to the public. The truth is far more fascinating than the fiction. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and join us for the next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.